It's thundering, y'all.
For my system, I quit. It's for my ladies, for my lady, for my system, I quit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be cooking with Maya and Mommy. Are you excited to cook cookies?
Yes.
Yes, you ready?
Yes.
So today we're gonna attempt to copycat cookies for the Doubletree cookies. So let's get our fingers crossed and see how we do it.
And the butter and the crispy and the sour.
Yes.
And the
Okay, so we're first gonna start off with our flour. We're gonna put in some oat flour. Can you put the oat flour in? Good job.
Yay!
We're gonna add some salt. You gonna put the salt in? Good job. Then we're gonna add some cinnamon. Good job. Ooh, look at you. You're so good at this. You're a natural.
Cinnamon.
Then we're gonna add some baking soda.
Baking soda.
Good job. Let's get all that in. Then we're gonna stir it up. Can you stir it up? Let's go. Yes. Get in there, girl.
Oops,
got
oops, sorry,
No,
Mommy.
come on. Come on. You can make a mistake. We're having fun with it, okay? Stir. Look at you. You're doing such a good job. You gotta pay attention. You gotta pay attention. Okay, let's get all in there. Come on. Let's get all in there. Y'all have to stir it all around. Good job. And we got Don in the back making noise. And it's thundering outside.
Missing.
So we got a whole background going on, okay? Good job. You paying attention?
Yes.
Stir, 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 stir. So we want to make sure all that is mixed well. I think we did a good job with that, Maya. So let's set that aside. And now we're gonna take our sugar. We have,
Okay.
and we have to take our brown sugar.
Well, sugar.
Okay, now we're gonna mix in our sugar and butter. We're gonna cream it together, and then we're gonna, let's see. Let me help you out. There we go. Oh, wait. Okay, let's grab our sugar. Can you add in our sugar? Good job. Let's see, grabbing your other sugar. Good job. Got a little bit more now. You want to put that a little bit more in there? Good job.
Oops,
I
sorry.
got it. Brown sugar. Good job. Yep. Good job. Now we're going to cream it all together. We're going to cream this all together. Cool, right? Super cool. I wish you guys could see it. Cream it all together. Ready?
Already.
I think that's good, Maya. I think we did good. No, so now we're gonna add in our lemon, eggs, and vanilla. You wanna add in the vanilla first? Ooh, good job.
Okay, we've done eggs.
Add in our eggs. Be careful. Good job. And then we're gonna add in our lemon juice.
Lemon soup.
Yes. Make sure you get all of it. Good job.
Plus,
Now we're going to mix it until it's smooth. Come on, guys. Let's do it. Add in our flour.
flour.
We're gonna add a little bit at a time. Let's try to stir that up. Okay, let's add half. Okay, let's try to mix it in. We're gonna add in our dry ingredients. Good job.
Yes, it's so soft. It's so soft.
Good job.
Messy.
Good job. Let's do the mixing dance. This our mixing dance. Mix it. Mix it. Go Maya. Go Maya. Go Maya. Go Maya. Go Maya. So now we're gonna add in our chocolate chips. Okay. And we're also gonna add in some walnuts, but we're gonna add nuts.
Walnuts and I mean
Chop, chop. Can you chop them up for me? This last one. What? This last two.
It's a little crackhead.
Let's add, wait, let's add this. Can we add this in there? Okay, so once we have our chocolate chip and walnuts in our mixture mixed well, we're going to scoop it out and place it on some parchment paper parchment paper. We're going to stick it in the fridge or refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. You can put it in the refrigerator overnight, but you want it to chill for at least 2 to 3 hours. So let's try scooping it out.
Why are you doing? Why are you doing?
Let me help you. Let's see. Let's scoop.
Let's do.
And then we put it right here. There we go. Good job. Let's try it yourself. So we already have some that was already in the fridge, already prepped to go in the oven. We're gonna let Maya explore. Good job. And let's see. Want to try another one? Let's go. So you gotta scoop it and bring it to the side.
Maya, do it.
Yep. Push down. Good job. So we're gonna put this to the side. We already have some pre-made. And we're just gonna put them on our baking sheet. You can use parchment paper to bake your cookies on. I just usually put it directly on the baking sheet because there's not a difference to me. No. Just put the ones that we already have pre-made. We're gonna pop them over here.
It's a BBC.
Wanna grab one? And can you put it on the cookie sheet? Good job.
Might eat it? Might eat it?
No, you can't eat it. You gotta bake it first.
Might do it.
Good job. Alright, so we're gonna put those just so. We're gonna pop them in the oven at 350, baking them for 14 minutes. You can't eat raw cookie dough. It has raw eggs in there, okay?
Oh, wait.
So, we'll be back with Maya once the cookies cool down to taste out the cookies and see did we nail it or did we fail. And we're back and it's finally time to test out the cookies. Grab one.
Yummy!
You didn't even taste it yet. Taste it. Okay, big bite. This is a good cookie, y'all. This is real fast. Alright, y'all. Let's see if it can focus. Look at that. Nice and golden at the bottom. And chewy and gooey on the inside. Yes. But we hit it. Let's cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers. Delicious. Do a cookie dance. Cookie dance. Cookie dance. Cookie dance. Cookie dance. We did, good job. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Cheers.
Alright guys, and that is it for this episode of Cooking with Maya and Mommy. I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking video. All the ingredients will be listed down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Did you have a good time?
Yes.
Good time?
Yes.
So we will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also yes. And also hit that thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Can you put the thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Button.
Button.
If you like like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.
It's for my ladies, for my lady, for my sister, my quick. It's for my ladies, for my lady, for my sister.